In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Lloyds Bank to Revolut. We'll use a quick and secure method that sends money straight from your Lloyds account into Revolut through easy bank transfer. Before we begin, make sure both apps are installed, you're signed in, and your internet connection is stable. It also helps to confirm you have enough funds and that any daily limits in either app won't block the amount you want to move. Start by opening the Lloyds Bank app and logging in so it's ready to approve the payment when prompted. Then switch to the Revolut app and head to the homepage where you'll start the top-up process. In Revolut, tap Add Money. Enter the amount you'd like to transfer. Let's say £10 for this example. Take a moment to double-check the number, especially if you're typing it on the keypad, to avoid accidental extra zeros or typos. Now choose Easy Bank Transfer as your funding method instead of Apple Pay or a card. Easy Bank Transfer uses secure bank-to-bank authorization, so you won't need to type in card details. After selecting it, tap Done, and then tap Continue to proceed with authorization. Select Lloyds Bank as your funding bank. At this point, Revolut will hand you off to the Lloyds app so you can approve the payment. This redirection is expected and secure. It's part of the regulated open banking flow. In the Lloyds app, review the payment details, scroll down, and tap Continue to approve the transfer. Depending on your security settings, you may be asked to confirm with a passcode, Face ID, or fingerprint. If you see any prompts, follow the on-screen instructions to complete approval. Once approved, you'll be automatically redirected back to Revolut. You should see a confirmation message that your transfer was successful, along with your updated balance. These transfers are usually instant, but if the balance doesn't refresh immediately, give it a few seconds. Avoid closing either app during the handoff to keep the flow smooth. That's all there is to it. Your money is now in your Revolut account. This method is fast, safe, and convenient because authorization happens directly in your banking app, and Revolut takes care of the rest. If your Revolut and Lloyds currencies differ, Revolut will show the converted amount, and you'll see the transaction reflected in your activity right away. Keep these steps in mind for future top-ups. The process is the same each time and only takes a moment once you're familiar with it. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.